Imagine waking up in 2030 to find that your job no longer exists. Sounds crazy, right? It's not a fantasy. It's happening right now. If you think your job is safe, you might want to think again. In a couple of years, the workforce will look drastically different. AI is moving in fast, and by 2030, it could replace millions of workers, including you. You must be worried right now, but if you stick around until the end of the video, I will also show you how you can future-proof your career and stay ahead of the AI curve. Believe me, you don't want to miss this. So buckle up, because the future is coming, and it's coming for your job. Number 10. Telemarketers.
Hi, this is Sarah from Tandy's Insurance. Congratulations, you've been pre-approved for our premium life insurance plan.
I'm sorry, but I don't really need a life insurance right now.
This plan also covers pet injuries and lost luggage on international flights.
I don't think I need a pet insurance for my goldfish, and I'm not traveling anytime soon.
No problem. You can still get an amazing discount if you sign up today.
Thanks, but I'll pass. If you've ever received a robotic phone call trying to sell you something you didn't ask for, you've already witnessed the future of telemarketing. AI-powered chatbots and voice bots can now handle customer calls, answer questions, upsell products, and even offer discounts, all without needing a break. They don't need overtime pay or complain about their commissions, making them the perfect employees. Telemarketing jobs are disappearing fast, and AI is stepping in to take over. So, next time you get a call about an extended warranty, just remember, it's a robot on the phone, not a human. Number 9. Data entry clerks. AI has already proven its ability to automate repetitive tasks like entering data into spreadsheets, organizing information, and transcribing documents. It's faster, more accurate, and cheaper than human workers. Big companies like Amazon, Google, or Microsoft are already adopting AI solutions to eliminate the need for manual data entry, and as technology advances, this will only accelerate. By 2030, the data entry job could be entirely replaced, and what we know today may no longer exist. Number 8. Retail cashiers. Self-checkout machines are everywhere now, and they're just the beginning. AI-driven kiosks and payment systems are making traditional cashier roles redundant. Big retailers like Amazon have already introduced cashierless stores, where AI tracks your purchases and charges your account automatically. It's efficient, but it's also a big sign that cashiers may soon be out of work. Number 7. Travel agents. Remember when travel agents were essential for planning vacations? Now, AI has taken over. With tools like Expedia and Google Flights, you can book flights, hotels, and experiences in minutes. These platforms don't just make bookings. They suggest personalized itineraries based on your preferences, saving you time and effort. AI even predicts what you'll enjoy based on your past trips, making human travel agents less necessary than ever. The future of travel planning is here, and it's all driven by AI. Number 6. Legal assistants. Legal assistants are next on the list. AI tools like Ross Intelligence and other legal research platforms are transforming the legal field by quickly scanning thousands of pages and analyzing case law. Law firms save time and money, and by 2030, many paralegal roles could be fully replaced by AI. The only thing AI can't do, cross-examine a witness. At least, not yet, but with AI advancing so quickly, who knows? Number 5. Factory workers. Manufacturing jobs have been declining for years, and AI is speeding up that trend. Robots powered by AI can now assemble, inspect, and package products with little to no human help. These machines can work around the clock without complaining. Picture this: robots doing all the work while humans just sip coffee. Number 4. Journalists. Journalism might not seem like an obvious target for AI, but hear me out. AI can now write news articles, sports recaps, and financial reports faster than any human. Tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT can generate content tailored to specific audiences in minutes. With AI analyzing vast amounts of data, it can handle routine reporting, like breaking news or stock updates, without breaking a sweat. While investigative journalism may survive, AI is quickly taking over the repetitive tasks, leaving many journalists facing a new reality about the future of their work. Number 3. Customer support. If you've ever chatted with a bot online, you've experienced AI in customer support. These bots can answer FAQs, resolve complaints, and upsell, all without human help. They don't need breaks, get frustrated, or forget details, learning from every interaction. So next time you chat with a bot, remember, it's a sneak peek at the future of customer service. Number 2. Accountants. Accounting has long been seen as a stable career, but AI is changing that. Tools like QuickBooks and AI-powered financial softwares are automating tasks like bookkeeping, tax filing, and financial forecasting. These systems can process data quickly, provide insights, and fix errors. While accountants focused on strategy and consulting may still be needed, traditional bookkeeping jobs are rapidly disappearing. In a couple years, many routine accounting tasks will be fully automated, leaving human accountants to focus more on high-level strategy. Number 1. Drivers. So you thought your Uber driver was bad? Well, get ready for the ultimate plot twist. By 2030, it might not be a driver at all. It'll be a robot. That's right. Self-driving technology from companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber is advancing faster than anyone could have imagined. Truck drivers, delivery personnel, even taxi drivers, AI-powered vehicles are coming to take over the roads. No more awkward small talk with your driver. No more waiting for a ride that's just around the corner. The best part? These self-driving cars won't get tired, won't ask for a tip, and definitely won't complain about the traffic. Once this tech becomes mainstream, millions of driving jobs could vanish almost overnight. So next time you're behind the wheel, just remember, you might be training your replacement. Now, before you panic, remember that while AI will replace some jobs, it will also create new opportunities in industries we can't yet imagine. Want to future-proof your career? Here's the secret. Focus on skills that AI just can't replicate. Get creative. Work on your emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and problem-solving. Those are areas where humans still have the edge. Now think about tech. Learning AI or data analysis can give you a big advantage in the AI-driven world. But here's the kicker. Roles in industries that rely on human connection, like healthcare, education, or creative fields, are going to stay in demand. So, are you ready to adapt? Start upskilling, network like a pro, and embrace the change. Your future self will thank you. What do you think? Is your career safe, or are you already planning for the AI revolution? Some people say that AI is very helpful. It's the future of our jobs. But others think that it is taking things a little too far. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments below.